All right, this is just a quick video to show folks how to make sure you get notifications from a page that you are following when they go live. I go live quite a bit, and people also want to know that they get my notifications when I go live. So it's important when you go live on Facebook, or if you want to be able to follow somebody who's going live on Facebook, it's as simple as this. This is one of my live shots that I did a month ago, 12 months ago. And right up here, make sure you're following. And when you're following, there's this notification right here. Right now, you can see the notification is off. Well, you want to switch the notification to on, because when it's on, that means now I will personally be notified when my public figure page goes live. So again, you're going to go to someone's live shot. You can do this. Go to a past live shot where it says they were live. Make sure you click following. It says default see posts as usual. If you ask to see the first, that'll make sure you really get to see everything. And then again, also make sure that you simply have it on for the live notifications. So now it's live notifications, and I will see it first. That means anytime I go live, my personal page will be notified as well. Again, this is Dwann Holmes Rollinson from GICMP and Dwann Holmes Rollinson Media. Just wanted to quickly show folks how to make sure you get notified when someone you are following on Facebook, a public figure, when they go live, so that you can be sure to stay updated. All right. God bless.